Hello everyone, VAROOT-LOG here. Today I want to talk about the idea that Mother Nature is cleansing herself. Now with the virus rapidly spreading, most of the world has come to a stop, and nature is being allowed to flourish and replenish. We all know that from climate change and pollution and mass production that we have damaged the earth, polluted her resources, and destroyed the land. I was watching a documentary about gold mining in Peru, and the mines are literally destroying the Amazon forest. And along with that, the miners are putting a lot of mercury into the water. This is because of our need for gold. I think now more than ever, we as a human species have to think about how we are using the resources on this planet. And we have to be good stewards, and be kind and be loving to nature. I hope everyone is staying safe and doing your part. Just trust that the universe will provide. Thank you all so much, and have a good night.